hey, can you tell me why you're upset? Nah, I'm not going to say anything. It's just a bit better for me to understand what's going on if I know if you can communicate. I don't want to. Just care about you, that's all. It's just not your business. Why don't we just start by having your hands by your side and just letting go of the physical stance that you're trying to hold. I respect that you don't want to open up because it can feel hard, but it doesn't need to be hard. Why don't you just try by starting the sentence with, I feel. I feel like I don't know how to do this. That's okay. The fact that you even had acknowledged that you don't know is the first start in helping you work out what's going on.